Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel MooTechie. A special welcome to all the dairy technologists and students joining us for this sixth and final class in Unit 2 on mechanical separation. Over this unit we have covered the principles of separation, filtration, and the various types of centrifuges. Today we will conclude by learning the essential practices for the care and maintenance of these critical machines. We are now moving on to the crucial topic of care and maintenance for separators and clarifiers. Proper upkeep is vital for ensuring longevity, efficiency, and safety in dairy processing. Regular maintenance begins with the rubber components. Rubber gaskets and O-rings must be replaced proactively before they wear out completely to prevent leaks and loss of pressure. The lubrication oil in the gearbox oil sump must be of the required quality and should always be maintained at the appropriate level to ensure smooth operation and prevent wear. The bearings that hold the spindle are critical. They must be replaced regularly according to the manufacturer's schedule. Failure to do so can lead to the bending of the shaft itself, rapid wear out of O-rings, and a significant drop in both separation efficiency and machine capacity. The discs are the heart of the separator. They should be cleaned carefully, with a soft material, and never with a harsh wire mesh, which can cause scratches. During cleaning, they should be placed on a rubber mat to prevent damage. After cleaning, the discs must be stored properly, to avoid any dents or warping. When reassembling the discs and all other components, it must be done with great care and precision. Improper assembly can cause vibrations, damage to parts, and a decrease in the machine's processing capacity. It is very important to never run a cream separator dry without any fluid, as this can cause immediate and severe damage to the internal components. For safety and to prevent damage, no adjustments, assembling or disassembling should ever be attempted while the cream separator is revolving. The worm and worm wheel are key parts of the drive system. If they become worn out, they must be replaced immediately to prevent damage to other parts due to jerks and to avoid a loss in the rotational speed of the bowl. The centrifugal clutch shoes transmit power. They should be replaced when worn to prevent any loss of power to the worm wheel. From time to time, they may need to be roughened to maintain a good grip. The bearings supporting the shaft of the worm wheel are also subject to wear and must be replaced when necessary to ensure smooth operation. One critical rule is to never change the direction of rotation of the spindle. This can accidentally happen when a three-phase drive motor is repaired and reconnected without checking the rotation direction, which can severely damage the machine. The milk being fed into the separator must always match the desired feed pressure recommended by the manufacturer. Incorrect pressure can affect separation performance and damage the machine. During all assembly and disassembly work, careful note must be taken of the thread direction, whether they are right-hand or left-hand threads, and tools must be applied accordingly to avoid stripping or damage. The weight of the connecting pipelines must never be allowed to strain the separator body. Proper supports must be used to avoid putting stress on the machine's connections. In some advanced cream separators, like the self-desludging type, the lubricating oil is cooled by a cooling water system. It is vital that this cooling water is of sufficient flow and pressure, and that it is soft water to prevent scaling. Once the flow requirement is set, the cooling water bypass valve from the control water line should never be closed or disturbed. Finally, cream separation should not be performed at temperatures higher than those recommended by the manufacturer. Excessive heat will significantly reduce the life of rubber collars, packings, and other sensitive components. Thank you for joining this entire unit on mechanical separation. From the fundamentals to the advanced machines and their maintenance, you now have a comprehensive understanding of how we separate components to create the dairy products we rely on. Your knowledge of this equipment is fundamental to efficient and safe dairy plant operation. Thank you. See you in the next unit.